Hi, my Bible friends. Welcome to my science class again. Today, we are going to talk about how the food we eat becomes blood. When we eat, it gets into our mouth, which is where the chewing starts. After chewing, the food becomes simple soluble form. So the simple soluble form passes through our esophagus to our stomach, which is the warehouse of food. Then the simple soluble form mixes with the two acid in our stomach, which is the hydrochloric acid and enzymes. After the simple soluble form mixes with the hydrochloric acid and enzymes, it gets into our small intestine, which is where the digestion started. The digested one becomes blood and undigested one becomes feces. The feces gets into our large intestine to our anus. Then the digested one, which becomes blood, passes through our veins to our heart. In our heart is two parts. We have the oxygenated one and deoxygenated. The oxygenated blood are blood that carries oxygen, and deoxygenated blood are blood that do not carry oxygen. Yes, so when the blood gets into our heart and goes into the two parts, the arteries pump it out, then veins pump blood inside our heart. That is why always doctors said we should not eat salt. When you eat too much salt, it blocks us with our veins. Yes, when it blocks with our veins, when the arteries is pumping the blood out, it forces the blood to pass through the veins that is choked. That is where stroke starts. You realize that some people will be standing and they will be like this. Yes, it's because of the salt that choke with their veins. So when the blood pumps it out, it comes with force pressure, and it's choke. That's why people get stroke. So please avoid intake of salt, avoid intake of smoke, avoid secondhand smoking. Don't eat too